on the bell. Once the bell is clicked, you will get all notifications. Thank you. Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you chicken drumstick, and I'm going to make chicken drumsticks with chili chicken masala. This is store-bought chicken masala, and I'm going to use 1 cup dahi. I'm going to remove the skin. I'm going to wash the chicken drumsticks. Then I will share with you how to make it delicious chicken. I have taken out the skin, and this is how the drumstick looks. And I'm going to make deep cut. You can make 2 or 3 cut. If the drumstick is big like this, you make a 3 cut. So I'm going to finish up cutting all the drumstick the same way. The whole reason I'm doing it, when we're going to marinate the chicken drumstick, the masala gonna go inside, and once it's blended, it will taste good. I'll finish up cutting all these. Get a big pot or mixing bowl. I'll get the chili chicken masala, and I'm going to use the whole pan. It's going to be really hot and spicy, and it's a 50 gram masala. 1 cup dahi. It's a homemade dahi, yogurt, curd. Mix it well. Once all the masala is nicely combined, I'll bring chicken drumstick. With the hand, we're going to massage it really well. We're going to make sure that each pieces are nicely coated, and all the cut, the masala gonna go inside, and when we're going to eat it, we're going to have all the flavor. Once it's nicely coated, the longer the better you marinate, but I'm going to marinate for 2 hours. Chicken has been marinated for 2 hours, and I have my tray ready. So I'm going to place the chicken, one facing this way, other we're going to facing this way. Now I will take this one to our oven. If you look at it, the water is boiling. I had to fill the bottom tray with the hot water, so be careful. So when you place it, don't burn yourself. I have my oven preheated at 500 degree Fahrenheit, which is 260 degrees Celsius, and we're going to keep it for half an hour. After half an hour, I'm going to turn them over for another 10 minutes. Then we're going to turn it off. Within 40 minutes, we have a juicy, tender, moist chicken drumsticks. It's exactly half an hour, and I'm going to open it. Be careful, it's really hot. So I'm going to turn the chicken drumstick over just like this, real quick. Please try it. If you haven't tried this method, please do it. When you're going to follow Easy Steps method, your chicken drumsticks will be juicy, moist, tender, and you're going to like it. After turning it over, I'll close it again, and we'll keep it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'm going to turn off the oven, and we're going to let it rest for 5 minutes. Then I'm going to share with you. I rested the chicken for 5 minutes. Now I'm going to open it. It's still hot, and I'm going to take out the chicken. If you look at inside the tray, the water is still there. Also, it's easy to clean the tray. And look at delicious chicken. Let me share with you. Our tasty, juicy, moist chili chicken drumsticks all ready. Please try Easy Steps method and let me know in the comment how it turned out for you. And like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.